today in this specific video we'll see the last year category wise cutoff of AIIMS Rishikesh. How this cutoff video is going to help you is as soon as you will come to know last year cutoff, your mind will frame a benchmark and will set it as a target to achieve. So whenever you're going to give a mock test, you will try to keep your score above the cutoff so as to get a safe score in Neet as well. Hi, hello and welcome. I'm Guri. I'm a third year MBBS student at GGS Medical College and Hospital Faridkot. So without any further ado, let's start the video. Before that, if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel. Talking about AIIMS Rishikesh. For general category, the last seat was allotted at 660 marks and the rank was 2908. For general PWD category, the last seat was allotted at 395 marks and the rank was 1,83,993. For EWS category, the last seat was allotted at 668 marks and the rank was 1,749. For OBC category, the last seat was allotted at 660 marks and the rank was 2,941. For SC category, the last seat was allotted at 620 marks and the rank was 12,006. For SC category, the last seat was allotted at 620 marks and the rank was 12,692. For SC category, the last seat was allotted at 597 marks and the rank was 21,956. So this was all the data that I was having. I hope you found this video informative. If you like the video, found this video informative, do subscribe to the channel and let me know what you want in the next videos. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy.